How many cars do you have?
One, and a half.
How old are?
1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Pigeons.
We gotta wait for Grandpa to get home.
With Dada.
Grandpa's at work. Oh, here's the kitty.
Running.
Running, yes. Luke, where's the green ball?
Where?
Where?
I know.
You don't know? Can you find it?
Yes. Where?
Luke, how old are you?
Where?
Where is it?
Where?
Is it over there?
Yes.
Okay, go get it.